Namaste. My name is Partho Majumdar. Great thinkers have propounded theories about the evolution of the universe. Yet, no one has succeeded in explaining reasonably. Scientists want to explain everything through science. They want to create mathematical formula through which everything can be explained. However, the universe is too complex. Formulae available today can explain very little about our existence. Universe extends beyond our Earth, the solar system, the Milky Ways, many other galaxies, and who knows what else. Science can explain the things that can be observed, like the galaxies, stars, planets, animals, organs of living things, atoms, subatomic particles, etc. What about explaining things that cannot be seen, like the dark matter, thoughts, conscience, feelings, etc.? The theories prevalent in the modern world have been postulated over the last century. Yet, there are thoughts on the universe evolution in much older theologies. Scientists do not want to explain anything using the words like God. At least for now, this is not possible. Despite science's significant progress, very little is explained today, and new postulates override existing thoughts process. We do not even know the expanse of the universe. So, is it wise to examine the postulates provided by Vedas more than 5000 years ago? In this video, we will discuss the Big Bang theory of evolution. The Big Bang theory is the most accepted theory on evolution of the universe, and we will touch upon the Vedic discourse on the same. Let us first discuss the evidence collected by science based on which theories have been accepted or new theories are being propounded. We will discuss only the most accepted theory, that is the Big Bang theory. In 1922, Westo M. Slipher at the Lowell Observatory collected the first evidence that the galaxies were moving apart. In 1929, Edwin P. Hubble stated the law that the galaxies are moving away from us at the rate that was roughly proportional to the distance from us. The law has been proved through clues provided by redshift phenomena. According to the redshift phenomena, every galaxy emits or absorbs certain wavelengths stronger than others. As the galaxies move away from us, the emissions and absorption feature move to lower wavelengths. In other words, they become redder, and the recession velocity increases. Hubble's experiments proved that the redshift of distant planets was greater than the ones which are closer to us. While the redshift of nearby galaxies was hardly detected, the same for distant galaxies was significant, some as fast as 90% of the speed of light. It has been proved through gravitational lensing of galaxies with higher redshift are indeed more distant from us. Based on these findings, Fred Hoyle coined the name Big Bang theory. Actually, the theory has nothing to do with explosion. The Big Bang theory proposes that the universe originated from a minuscule particle that was very dense and very hot. The origin of the theory is based on the observation from nuclear fusion that when an atom explodes, it gives rise to tremendous amount of energy. So initially the universe must have been a singular object from which all the current existence has evolved. As the particles from the singular object came out, they uniformly filled the empty spaces. However, due to forces of gravity, different particles attract each other and group together and form a mass. These masses are the stars, planets, galaxies, etc. The Big Bang theory explains that all masses constantly move away from each other, thus expanding the universe. The discovery of cosmic background radiations in the 1960s and later experiments till 1992 proved that the universe emerged from a dense hot state, which is necessary condition for generation of these radiations. Also, it has been found through satellites that the cosmic background radiations expand uniformly. However, as energy keeps emitting from the masses, they lose energy and ultimately reach a state without any energy. Also, as particles group together due to gravity, the rate at which energy is emitted gradually reduces, and ultimately the mass can no longer emit any energy. The discovery of dead stars and black holes have substantiated this. The universe is estimated to be dark and without any energy in 30 billion years from now. So the Big Bang theory states that the universe will keep expanding till it loses all its energy At that stage, everything will collapse back into a singularity. There are some fundamental questions on the Big Bang theory. The first is about the origin of the singularity. As with anything, nothing comes from nothing. So, singularity also should have come from something or from somewhere. The second is about the dimensions and characteristics of the singularity. Even if it is minuscule, it must have some dimensions. Mathematically, nothing can be absolutely zero. And if it were absolute zero, it would not have existed. Further, what are the infinite energy and density measures in this singularity? Now let us consider the Vedic view. Look at the Vedic thoughts as essential knowledge explained to ordinary people in the guise of message from God. The Vedas have provided detailed explanation of the origin of the creation. We skim through the essential concepts. According to the Vedas, the universe has never been created and thus has no beginning and end. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that the universe manifests during Brahma's dawn. The universe exists for a day of Brahma called the Kalpa, which is about 4.32 billion years. After that, the universe is destroyed to be recreated at the next Kalpa. In a way, the Big Bang theory is similar. The Big Bang theory propounds the universe origin and states that the creation will return to nothing. Namaste.